Yes, everybody, please. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend for tell a friend now we again. Today I come to say a quick thing. Boy, Bossman, Dlow, your new name is Bossman, Homo. Straight up. You and LaFraud Flames, aka Lebron James. This message is for Bossman Dlow. Right? Your new name is Bossman Homo. You and LaFraud Flames, aka LeBron James, is a disgrace to the black community. Straight up me I tell you now. Straight up me I tell you now. Me can't believe you know. One man I call man daddy and the next one day in a transvestite DM I text him back and forth. I talk about relationship and that kind of thing. Boy, when I gone, far gone. Something wrong with you, sick. Please like, share and subscribe at Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend to tell a friend that we again. Boop, 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 boop.